Okay, in this video, I will explain to you what is the difference between all and all selected. So now before that, right, I'm going to change the value, right? So it's easier for you to see, right? So I'll just change it to like the 15, right? So much larger, right? Okay, maybe 20. Even better. All right. So there's a all and there's a all selected. So, and when I click on these, right, notice that here is 78 and 22, right? But when I click on this here, and notice this one is 0.78, the other is 1, right? Why is that happen, right? Because that one is using O, the other O selected, right? But what does it mean? Right? Let's just take a look at here, right? Now, okay, now when you're using O, right, it knows slicer. What does that mean? It knows slicer. So it says that this always divided by the total from all years, right? So um, so let's just see here, right? The all here, see here, that's from all years, right? So there are total of 2 years of data, right? So that's why that in 2023 is here. So now if I just click on this here, so you divide by the total of all years, right? 78% of this from the total, right? From the total. So 29,900 and goes here. Now that is all, right? Because that and so when I click on this here again one more time, right? It's still giving me 78, although that the total now is 2,900, right? But it just ignore it because it will still see as that total is 26,900. That is called the all, right? So now however, right, if your chart here, right, if your chart here don't have that uh, the items that is correspond to the slicer, right? It doesn't affect it. Let's say I want to just look at both years and look at just the category of accessories, right? So you can see that the rate is still there, right? And and the all and the all is 33%. Why 33%, right? I mean 9,000 divided by 9,350, right? It should be 0.333%, right? But why not, right? Well, that's because that is still against the all years data, right? So all kinds of categories. So it doesn't compare with just 9,350. Now, however, right, if you look at the all selected, that's different. All selected is that they will look at just the accessory. So the all selectors respect the slicer, right? So as you can see here, the all selectors respect slicer. So uh, it know we just select this, right? So this is what it means, right? All selectors slicer. So if I go to byte, and again you can see that it will show as 1, right? So here all selectors just show all that is in bytes, all that is in the year, right? So if I choose one more here, right? So but let's just make it easier first, right? So it's here that are all selected all for the bytes. But all is not just for bytes. All is for all category because it just ignore all the slicer that is outside of this here, right? Okay, so you can see here, right? So see there's a difference, right? All selected, all compared with the total, right? So it's just ignore. It's like all is always like this, always like this. All is always without any other slicer, right? Just clear all. But as for the all selected, it will take it will look into consideration of the slicer right here or even here. Yep, that's it. That's just all. But notice that it does change to the when it's all, right? It's, oh, it does affected. You see that it's still affected accessory. 33%. Accessory. Oh yeah, it does. It still affect, right? It's still 33%. Same as if the same thing here. So let's be sure. Okay, this is the all and all selected.